What is going on, everybody? In this video today, I'm going to go over all the iRobot Roomba deals right now for Christmas, and they actually have some really good deals. So I'm going to go through this list and try to explain which model might be best for you. Personally, if you're looking for a model with a self-empty bin, a Roomba cannot be beat. They're one of the only companies that have a dirt bin sensor to where if the dirt bin gets full, it knows to go back and empty itself, therefore doing a much better job overall cleaning. They have a patent on this and nobody else can copy it, and that's why nobody else has. And once again, I think that's why the Roombas are truly the best robots out there. So let's go ahead and start with the Roomba i3 Plus. $399 with the bin. That is an awesome price. Now this guy I would highly recommend for people with a smaller home or an apartment, maybe 2-3 bedrooms or rooms total for your house. It's going to do an excellent job for a smaller house. It's going to clean very good. I put this guy through a bunch of my tests and it does a really good job. So I would highly recommend the i3 Plus. And I'll put the link for all these down in the description along with the name next to it. If you decide to buy one of these, please use that link. I make a few dollars off each one sold, and I put that money right back into this channel so I can buy more robot vacuums and review them for you guys. Also, smash that like button and subscribe. Alright, let's move on to... Alright, here's something simple. i3 Plus. This is just the robot for $299. I can't imagine anybody buying this and not stepping up the extra $100 for the self-empty bin. So once you have the self-empty bin, you can't go back to emptying it yourself. It really makes a huge difference. Same with the i7 here. Robot's really good. It's $400, which is a great price. But stepping up to the self-empty bin for $200 more on this particular one is still well worth it in my opinion. Alright, now stepping up to the big boy, the i7 Plus. This and the S9 Plus is my two favorite robots ever with a self-empty bin. $599 is an amazing price. I've had an i7 for well over a year. I've put that thing through so many tests, stress tests, and it's still kicking butt. That thing just, the Roombas are made so well and they just last forever. I love it. This one and then the S9 right below it, they're both good for a larger house. I mean, they'll still work obviously for a smaller apartment or even a small house, but they really shine because of their mapping ability. You can tell this guy to go clean a specific room. So say you're eating dinner and your child spills a bowl of cereal or whatever. You can actually use Google and just tell this thing to go clean around your dining room table and it will know to go clean that specific area. So pretty awesome technology and it works really well. Same with the S9. The S9 overall is a much better robot. It's got a lot more suction. It cleans really good. It is not that good for thick carpet, and that's probably my only downside with this thing. So if you have normal, everyday carpet, then it's going to do an awesome job. I highly recommend this. This is the lowest price it's ever been at $8.99. So I would jump on that quick if you're looking for the best robot on the market. Alright, so here's something funny kind of. So right below the i7 Plus is the i6 Plus for $50 less. This is actually the same exact robot as the i7 Plus. This one is just made for Amazon to sell, but it's exactly like the i7, I promise. Just like Costco has an i8 Plus. Sounds better than the i7, right? Because it's a higher model number? No, it's the same exact thing, just marketed for Costco. So the i6, 7, and 8 are identical robots. So if you're looking for one of those, this is actually the best deal because it's $50 cheaper. Alright, now that moves me on to probably the best deal in this video if you're not looking for the S9 Plus. And that's the i7 Plus bundled with the Braava Jet M6. And if you're looking for a smart mop, this is probably the smartest mop on the market. To me, it cleans pretty good overall, but if you've been following this channel at all, you'll know that I'm really not a fan of any mopping robot because none of them just do a really good job cleaning. However, if you're paying $600 for the i7, that means you're getting the Braava Jet M6 for $300, and that's an extra $100 off its already on sale price. So bundling this for $900 is a steal. So if you're looking for the combo, I would definitely recommend this deal. It's never been this cheap. As you can see, you're saving $600 off the original MSRP. So very good deal. And that's pretty much going to wrap up the best deals that I could find. These deals are actually on par or better than what they had for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I don't know how long these are going to be going, but if you're looking for a good robot vacuum, I would highly recommend Roomba. And once again, I'll put the links below. Please use those links. I'd really appreciate it. And then consider liking and subscribing. I'd appreciate that too. Hopefully you guys appreciate me bringing you these deals, and have yourselves some happy holidays. See you guys in the next one.